In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page with a password, which is a straightforward process that adds an extra layer of security to your pages. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Notion. Open your web browser and type in Notion's URL to access your account. Make sure you're logged in. If you aren't, just enter your credentials to gain access to your workspace. Once you're inside Notion, you'll see a list of your current pages and databases. This is where we'll begin. The next step is to open the specific page you want to lock. Browse through your pages and click on the one you'd like to protect with a password. This will bring it up front and center on your screen, ready for any edits or adjustments. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find three little dots, often referred to as More Options. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu with various features to customize your page. Among these options, you'll see an option labeled Lock Page. When you click this, your page will be locked, preventing accidental edits. It's important to note that this doesn't yet involve the use of a password. It simply locks the page for editing unless it's unlocked by you. But if you're looking to add further security by incorporating a password, Notion allows you to do this through a slightly different route. Head over to the Settings option, which can be found when you click on your profile picture or initials, typically located in the same top right space of your screen. Once you click Settings, you'll want to navigate to My Account. Within the My Account section, you'll have the ability to set or update a password for your Notion account, which adds an extra layer of security to everything you do within Notion. This doesn't lock individual pages with unique passwords, but ensures that your entire workspace is accessible only to those who possess this password. It's a great step to take if you're concerned about unauthorized access to your content. And that's it. You now know how to lock a Notion page to protect it from edits and apply security to your entire Notion workspace with a password. Taking these steps helps ensure that your work remains yours, safe and sound. Thank you for following along with this guide, and I hope you found it useful. Take care, and happy organizing in Notion.